So we got up to chapter number 3, and chapter number 3. This chapter deals with various types of Hefsekim. So it's like introduction. A Hefsek is an interruption which can invalidate one's bracha. Maybe if he waited long enough between bracha and eating, so it's too late to eat, basically. Section B deals with Hefsek of speaking. For example, one may not speak after reciting the bracha before eating some of the food. Thus, if phone rings while one is making bracha, he must first take the bite and ensure to swallow some food before saying hello. So not only take the first bite, but also swallow. So because while the food in one's mouth is not halachically considered to be eaten. Okay. Section C deals with a hefsek and of pausing. After making bracha, one is required to immediately eat or drink some of the food without pause or delay. For example, bracha is being made on a packaged food. The package should be opened before the recital of bracha. Even forget about package. I'm telling you about. I will give you a different example about banana. So today, I mean, of course, I knew it, but today I tried to open banana, and it's not so easy. I mean, it's I don't know. The skin is like too flexible. It was like I had to cut a little with a knife because it was not penetratable, right? So very interesting. So, but Baruch Hashem, I knew that it could be problems. So I never make lesson on a banana before it's peeled. It's not smart, basically. In section G, we discussed the hefseks of gesturing, motioning, snapping fingers, and the like. For example, one made the bracha and was about to eat when his wife suddenly rushed in looking for the car keys. He snapped his finger to get her attention and pointed to the drawer where the keys were to be found. It was incorrect to do either of these actions. Okay. In section E, we discussed the hefsek of changing locations. For example, if one made bracha while inside of his house and walked outside of the house to eat the food, the bracha is invalid. Okay. The subject of changing location discussed in detail chapter 9. So that's a big story. It's not such an easy topic. No, it's not hard, but many details.